Sitting here looking at the pictures, celebrating life, I'm feeling gifted. Cocktail of emotion got me twisted. Gone too soon, you know I miss you. Feeling kinda hip hopish.
So, what did you do today that worked well for you?
I rhymed words. I rhymed words.
What else did you do that worked well for you today?
I did my work,
You did your work. What else?
and then I played with my friends.
You play with your friends. How about your emotions? Did you handle your emotions well?
Yes,
How did you do that?
believe in yourself and don't let anybody take you down to the ground.
Is that what you did today?
Yeah.
Come on now. Wow. Awesome. Okay. What did you do that worked well today for you?
I did some cards
Yes.
for Valentine's Day that made me really happy.
Yes.
And also, I gave one to somebody that is my best friend.
Yes.
And I went to the park yesterday. And
No,
I
I'm
went
talking
to my
about today. What did you do academically that worked well for you today?
basically everything.
Like what?
Like, I have my favorite perfume with me.
That's not academic.
Yes, it is.
Academic means your schoolwork, you know.
Oh, okay.
What did you
I
do
got
to-
one thing. My schoolwork. My schoolwork was kind of. I don't like schoolwork.
But
I only like it a little bit because we do our activities.
But that's your ticket to your bright, happy, and successful future.
We gotta get her done. Get her done. Get her done. Well, my hobby. I'm just gonna talk about my hobby. My hobby is dancing. That's it.
Yeah, but you know what? Come back. Because even if you dance, right? When someone hires you to dance, are you going to want them to pay you?
Yes.
That means you're going to need to know how to count your money. You're going to need to know how to figure out percentages and interest. And you don't know about that right now, but you're going to have to know how to do that. That's why you're learning math. If you do not master math, you're going to lose money. Here's another thing. When someone hires you to dance, right? Let's say a big company hires you, they're going to give you something called a contract. What are they going to give you?
Called a contract.
It's a contract. On that contract is a paper. It's going to have a lot of words on there. If you don't know how to read those words and understand them, you could get cheated. Do you want to get cheated? That's why you're learning how to read and understand what you read. Do you understand me? That's why you're learning this stuff in school.
Get her done. Get her done. Get her done. Get her done. Get her done.
So this number you have to multiplicate that, like this one at the top, and you multiplicate, and that'll be 18. Put a line, and then put a line and put that.
Why are you learning to read in school?
Because of my teacher.
Why are you learning to
To read in school.
We just discussed it. You like to dance. You might get a contract. You want to understand the words on that contract so you don't get cheated. Why are you learning how to read in school? Say, I like to dance.
I like to dance. I
want somebody to hire me.
want somebody to hire me.
They're going to give me a
money.
a contract.
A contract and I can't get cheated.
That's right. You want to make sure you understand the contract so you don't get cheated. What do you want to make sure you understand?
A contract.
So,
You won't get cheated.
that's right. That's why you're learning how to read. Why are you learning math?
Because I need a contract. Because I like to dance. I want somebody to hire me, and I want providing this baby, and I don't want to get cheated.
That's right. You need to be able to count your money. Say it. I need to be able to count my money.
I need to be able to count my
That's
money
right.
to 521.
That's right. You understand why you're learning math and reading and stuff in school now? You understand? That's why when I come on Wednesday, I'm going to ask you, look at me. I'm going to ask you, what did you do academically that is working for you? You're going to tell me what you did in math. You're going to tell me what you did in reading and language arts, that kind of stuff. You got it?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, Miss Jackson.
Yes, Miss Jackson.
Now thank me for helping you.
I thank you a lot.
So show her an example of how yours looks.
So mine's look like this.
1 more minute.
18, 9, 12.
You're a good teacher. How's what 24? Thank you.
Because it says 8 times 2 plus 16.
So look, she has a really simple way. Show her how you're just counting down with your fingers.
So, you see how I did all of these? I used this. So, you know I said 11 times 4. So I put 11 on my finger and I say 1, 2, 3, 4.
That's
and
the
my
answer.
answer is right here. So my answer is 44.
You get it?
So
So
just
go to
use
8.
this.
Go to 8. Count down to 1, 2.
1, 2.
Miss Jackson.
No, you have to start on 8. 1,
1, 2.
Yep, so your answer is 16.
This is 10 times 14.
Yes, but 14's not on there. But remember, anytime you're doing 10, you just put a 0 at the end of the number. Remember that?
So it's 440. Like 140.
Yes, 140. Okay, now you can use a voice level 2.
Miss Jackson, I finished your classway.
Okay, explain. What did you do? Read the number. Read this number.
4,156. Wait, 1,876.
Yes.
876.
Yes. Remember, this comma's name is 1,000. This comma's name is what? That's right. So read it again.
4,156,876.
Yes, but don't say 870. Just say 876. Read it again.
4,100.
For what?
4,100,156,876.
That was right. 150.
6,876.
Perfect. Perfect. Now, why do you have 40 million? I thought it was 4 million. See? Yeah. Be real careful with your numbers because, look, numbers is money. You want to make sure you can count so nobody can cheat you. Perfect. Go do another one. Show her how to do that shortcut that you figured
You know
out.
how to do this?
Yes, that's right, Bella. I just did it on the chart.
So
But ask her if she wants you to show you a
you want me
shortcut.
to show you a shortcut?
Yes.
Okay, so a shortcut is like very short. You can just do it in a quick step. Okay,
Right.
2 times 9. 2 times 9 is like, okay, so grab 2, put your finger right here. Put 2 right there. And now count to 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what's your answer?
18.
Boom. That's it. You get it?
Over
I did that.
I didn't even figure that out. You figured that out.
Okay. No, hold on. I don't think that's 30. Hold on, let me see.
Wait, do it again. Yeah. I'm strong. I'm strong. Cool like that. Cool like that. say
It's
la
your
la